Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll cover the weekly current affairs dated from 18th May to 25th May. This video is completely available in English language. Let's get into the video. Our first question, who has been named as the Chief Economist of World Bank? Options are Carmen Reinhardt, Manisha Singh, Ashok Michael Pinto, Raghuram Rajan. Here you can see the picture of her. The answer is Carmen Reinhardt. Which state government has launched the Startup Fund to encourage the youth of the state for entrepreneurship? UP, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. The government of Uttar Pradesh launched the Startup Fund. Which state has begun Didi vehicle service for safe delivery of rural women? West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala. The answer is C, Madhya Pradesh. Next one. Which day is observed as World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development? 15th May, 18th May, 21st May, 17th May. So 17th May is observed as World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Dash has released a special postal cover dedicated to the migrant workers with an objective of paying tribute. Indian Post, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Marines. So Indian Post has released a special postal cover in the memory of migrant workers. National Restaurants Association of India has partnered with which of the following fintech startup to build its own tech platform? Paytm, PhonePe, DotPay, BharatPay. So National Restaurants Association of India teamed up with DotPay. Dash launched AA Plus COVID-19 testing solution to detect coronavirus in less than 5 minutes. Options are MyLabs, Generic Private Limited, ESDS Software Solution, DRDO. So ESDS Software Solution, they launched this testing kit to detect corona in less than 5 minutes. ISRO has directed the startups to develop tools and machines for Dash, MOM, Mars Mission, Lunar Space Mission, Gaganyaan Mission. Gaganyaan Mission is the answer, which is scheduled to be launched in 2022. What is the theme for the 2020 World Telecommunication and Information Society Day? Bridging the standardization gap, enabling the positive use of artificial intelligence for all, big data for big impact, Connect 2030, ICTs for the Sustainable Development Goals. So the theme for World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is Connect 2030. Next again, what is the theme of 2020 World Hypertension Day? Measure your blood pressure, control it, live longer. Know your numbers, know your blood pressure and under control amid COVID. So the theme is measure your blood pressure, control it, live longer. You should remember the themes and important days as well. On which social media researchers recently found a new species fungi? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. So on Twitter, they found a new species fungi. Prime Minister of Israel Benjamin Netanyahu is sworn in as PM for the dash time. Options are second time, third, fourth, fifth. He was sworn in as the Prime Minister of Israel for the 5th time in a row. Who is the Director General of World Health Organization? Jane Ellison, Soumya Swaminathan, Tedros Adhanom, Margaret Chan. The Director General of World Health Organization is Tedros Adhanom. Next one, Charan Paduka initiative aims to help dash farmers, SHGs, migrant laborers, COVID warriors. So Charan Paduka, it is an initiative to help migrant laborers. Which state launched the Charan Paduka initiative? So Charan Paduka initiative, it was launched by Madhya Pradesh. Who represented India at the World Health Assembly held on 18th May? Piyush Goyal, Harshavardhan, Nirmala Sitharaman, Ramvilas Paswan. So Harshavardhan represented India in WHO. Under Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, Government of India aims to double the fishers and fish farmers and fish workers income by which year? 2022, 2024, 2025 and 2026. So under this scheme, the income of fishers, fish farmers and fish workers will be doubled by 2024. Next, BCG vaccine is used to treat cancer, diabetes mellitus, TB, AIDS. This vaccine is used to treat TB. When is the World Bee Day observed? 12th May, 14th May, 20th May, 25th May. So 20th May is observed as World Bee Day. The World Bee Day commemorates the birth anniversary of Janet Jalan, Tomo Zupan, Juris Vega, Anton Jansa. Answer is D. Anton Jansa. Who has been named as the chairman of WHO Executive Board? Harshvardhan, Sanjay Tyagi, Priti Pant, Balram Bhargava. So Harshvardhan is named as the chairman of WHO Executive Board. What is the theme for 2020 World Bee Day? Let us get together and save the pollinators, save the bees, be engaged, be friends. So the theme for 2020 World Bee Day is Save the Bees. Next, Dash has launched Agape Chitra Magna Kit for RNA extraction. DRDO, CSIR, ARCI, SCT-MIST. So SCT-MIST launched this kit. National Anti-Terrorism Day marks the assassination of which great leader? Lalit Narayan Mishra, Indira Gandhi, Lalit Maken, Rajiv Gandhi. So the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi marks the National Anti-Terrorism Day. When is the National Anti-Terrorism Day observed? 6th May, 12th May, 18th May and 21st May. 21st May every year is observed as National Anti-Terrorism Day. On 22nd May, RBI adjusted the reverse repo rate to dash from 3.75. It was reduced to 3.35%. On 22nd May, RBI cuts repo rate to dash from 4.4%. The repo rate will be reduced to 4%. Next, what is the theme for 2020 International Day for Biological Diversity? Our solutions are in our nature, our biodiversity, our food, our health, celebrating 25 years of action for biodiversity and sustainable tourism. So the theme for International Day of Biological Diversity is our solutions are in nature. Which state is to launch Everybody Will Get an Employment Scheme? Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. So Madhya Pradesh state launched this Everybody Will Get Employment Scheme. When is International Tea Day observed? International Tea Day is observed on 21st May every year. Scientists from Dash discovered new ways to prevent memory loss due to Alzheimer by using Trojan peptides to arrest the aggregation of neurotoxic molecules. ICMR, SCT-MST, IIT Guwahati, IIT Madras. So the scientists from IIT Guwahati, they discovered new ways to prevent memory loss in Alzheimer patients. Kudol LGBTQI initiative by Ya All of which state? Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura. Kudol is related to the state Manipur. Dash developed parabolic trough collector, a new trough collector equipped with enhanced energy to serve industries. IIT Guwahati, IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras, DRDO. So IIT Madras, they developed parabolic trough collector. Which Indian initiative has been listed as one of the top 10 global initiatives to fight COVID-19 pandemic? KNG IRS COVID Relief Initiative, Kudol Initiative, India Fights Corona, Karo 2019. So Kudol Initiative is listed as one of top 10 global initiatives to fight COVID-19 pandemic. Who is appointed by the World Bank to key position on climate change, disaster management in South Asia? Surjit Balla, Jaiti Ghosh, Abbas Jha, Bimal Jalan. Abbas Jha is appointed as World Bank. Who launched the Biodiversity Samrakshan Internship Program? National Biodiversity Authority, United Nations Development Program, United Nations Environmental Program, A and B. So both the National Biodiversity Authority and United Nations Development Program launched Biodiversity Samrakshan Internship Program in India. ICMR to use dash to lower coronavirus activity better than hydroxychloroquine to treat the COVID-19 patients. So they use tea, Kangra tea, oolong tea, fermented tea, yellow tea. They use Kangra tea to lower coronavirus activity. DAS developed electrochemical sensing platform for detecting carcinogenic and mutagenic compounds in food. NCL, CSIR, IASST, Herman. So IAST, they developed electrochemical platform. Where is the Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences? CENS located. Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata. It is located in Bengaluru. What is the theme for International Day to End Obstetric Fistula 2020? Options are End Fistula with a Generation, Fistula is a human rights violation, End it now, End General Inequality, End Health Inequities, End Fistula now, Hope, Healing and Dignity for All. So the answer is C. DAS developed a cup-shaped design that helps to create enough space in front of the mouth while speaking to tackle COVID-19. ISSC, CENS, ICMR, SCTIMST. CENS, Center for Nano Sciences. RHT14 and RHT18, often seen in news, are associated with the following: alternative drafting genes in wheat, newly discovered spike proteins of coronavirus, herbicide-resistant gene of rice, genes mapped in humans that could be used for AIDS treatment. It is alternative dwarfing genes in wheat crop. Which of the following temple is also known as Black Pagoda? Jagannath Temple, Sun Temple, Meenakshi Temple, Akshardham Temple. Sun Temple is also known as Black Pagoda. Kalapani, Limpiadura, Lipu Lake, often seen in news, is a disputed territory between India and which other countries? Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, China. So Kalapani, it is a disputed territory between India and Nepal. Central Bureau of Investigation was set up on the recommendation of Santanam Committee, Administrative Reforms Commission of India, Gorwala Report, Ashok Mehta Committee. CBI was set up on recommendation of A. Santanam Committee. Next, less invasive surfactant administration, LISA, is a recent medical technique used for which of the following? Infants who are showing evidence of increasing respiratory distress, COVID-19 patients, pregnant HIV women, and diabetic patients. This LISA, it is used to infants who are showing evidence of increasing respiratory diseases. Friends, these are the top current affairs from this week. If you find my video useful, please subscribe to our channel, Yuvataram Education. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you all.